So what I have here is a replacement key fob. It was for a Suzuki Grand Vitara. The original that I had, I could not get it programmed to unlock the car in any kind of way. So I searched and found this one, as you see in the description, and it has been a beautifully working fob ever since I programmed it. It took me 15-20 seconds to program it, and it's just a series of, you know, turning the key switch and opening and closing the door a few times and pressing the buttons on the fob, and that's basically it. All in all, it was a beautiful exact replacement, and it works at a pretty great distance too. Give it a try. Thank you.